If you're trying to decide between Pear AI and Cursor AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the key differences in a simple, practical way so you can choose the right AI code editor for your workflow. If this kind of comparison helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about what these two tools actually are. Pear AI and Cursor AI are both AI-powered code editors built on top of the Visual Studio Code ecosystem, which means they feel familiar to many developers right away. But even though they share that foundation, they are designed for different kinds of users. Pear AI focuses more on being free, open source, privacy-friendly, and flexible. Cursor AI focuses more on speed, deeper project understanding, and advanced productivity features. Starting with Pear AI, one of its biggest advantages is that it is free and open source. That makes it especially attractive if you're a budget-conscious developer, a solo builder, or someone who likes community-driven tools. Open source software also gives many developers more confidence because it offers transparency and flexibility. If privacy matters to you, Pear AI is also appealing because it emphasizes local control and can run in a way that keeps more of your work on your machine. Pear AI also includes useful AI features like code generation and code-based querying. That means you can ask questions about your project, generate code faster, and get help navigating your files without relying only on manual searching. It supports multiple AI models too, including options like OpenAI and Anthropic, which gives you more choice depending on the type of output or workflow you prefer. For smaller projects, independent developers, and people who want a straightforward tool without a big price tag, Pear AI can be a strong option. Now let's switch to Cursor AI. Cursor is more of a premium AI coding assistant built for speed, intelligence, and productivity. It is designed to understand your full code base more deeply, which can make a huge difference when you're working on larger applications or complex features. Cursor can predict edits, assist with debugging, and help you make changes across multiple files more efficiently. One of the standout features in Cursor is Composer, which is built for multi-file changes. If you've ever needed to update logic in one file, then adjust related components, services, or tests in several others, this kind of workflow can save a lot of time. Cursor is also widely used by professional developers and teams because it offers strong security features and a more advanced editing experience overall. So how do these tools compare side by side? Let's make it simple. Pear AI is free, open source, and highly privacy focused. Cursor offers a free tier, but its most powerful features are part of paid plans. Pear AI has local AI support and a good level of project awareness, while Cursor has excellent project awareness and more advanced multi-file editing. Pear AI is great for individual developers and smaller projects, while Cursor is better suited for teams, large code bases, and advanced workflows. If you are a developer who wants affordability, control, and flexibility, Pear AI is probably the better fit. It's especially good if you care about open source tools and want a coding assistant that gives you more privacy and freedom. If you're a professional developer or you work on large complex projects and want the strongest AI assistants available, Cursor is usually the more powerful choice. Another way to think about it is this. Pear AI is about value, openness, and local control, while Cursor is about maximum productivity, smarter automation, and deeper code understanding. There isn't one single winner for everyone. The best tool depends on your budget, your project size, and how much advanced AI support you actually need in your daily work. So here's the final verdict. Choose Pear AI if you want a free, open source, privacy-friendly coding assistant that gives you solid flexibility. Choose Cursor AI if you want the most advanced AI coding experience with powerful project awareness and professional-grade features. Both are excellent tools, but they serve different types of developers. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.